If you want to customize the lock screen on iPhone 17, then first of all we need to go to settings. Over here in settings we're gonna scroll down a little bit in order to find wallpaper, and then we can press on customize at the bottom of the lock screen. And there we go. Here we can customize it. We can tap on any of these elements in order to customize widgets that should appear over here. We can tap on the clock in order to change font and color. You can also grab by this corner over here in order to make it taller if you want to. And we can also press add widgets over here in order to add some more widgets into the lock screen. There we go. So I will add just one example one. And yeah, once you are done, oh, and of course we can also change lock screen buttons that we have in the bottom left and bottom right corner. We can, I believe, tap on them in order to change them. Well, first we need to actually remove them, and then we can choose whatever should be added over there. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Once you are done with all of these changes, press down in the upper right corner in order to save your changes. And that's it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.